here at the 2014 Bud Light Digi Dream Fest with my friend Aaron. Aaron, how are you?
I'm doing good.
That's awesome, buddy. Well, you having a great time?
I've been loving it, buddy.
Okay, well, who are you most excited to see today?
Fetty. I'm most excited to see Fetty today.
I love it. I love it. Well, enjoy Fetty tonight, brother. Take care. Signing out. Okay, I'm on location with my friends
Nathan,
Jim.
All right, guys. Well, you're looking sharp. Who are you guys most excited to see tonight?
Justice.
Justice all the way.
I love it. I love it. Well, guys, I'll see you over at the Dream Stage and enjoy the crosses tonight. Take care, okay?
You too, man.
Take care. I'm here at the 2014 Digital Dreams Music Festival with my friend
Phil.
Phil. How's it going, buddy?
It's all right. The festival's great so far.
I love it, man. Who are you most excited to see?
Carnage. And Flux Pavilion.
I love it, buddy. Well, I'll see you over at the base tent later on tonight then.
All right, thanks. Woo!